Hey guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel so you get all the updates. Thanks. Alright, we are here with the E-Flite Sukhoi Su-29. It's got the AS3X in it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're out here. Do a quick taxi. And this is the maiden flight of this airplane, brand spanking new. And up she goes. Doing a little trim in there. Get small quick. Wow. And it is 95 degrees outside. With the humidity, it feels like it's 103. Maiden flight of the airplane, and he's already doing tricks. Right. Looks like it's flying all over the place there. Get her all trimmed out, huh?
Got expo on everything, or changed my rates on everything but the elevator.
It's looking pretty good. Now this is a highly aerobatic airplane. It's got tons of throws, tons of elevator, aileron, and it'll do pretty much anything that you want it to do in the right hands. And for its size, it flies very well, very well. It's on the smaller side. Is this 4S or 3S?
3S.
It's 3S. And it's flying like it's a big dog. You know, you can't overlook these smaller airplanes. They really fly good. They have come a long way.
Not a whole lot of speed.
Not a lot of speed, but it's a whole lot of aerobaticness. And that's what it's for. So, you know, it'll do all kinds of stuff. Yep, let's see here. You're doing pretty good. Alright. Get a quick switch on you guys. And now I'm on the sticks. And
It's on medium rate.
okay, it's on medium rates, and it's got it's let's see, I'm just gonna put around with it a little bit. It's super sensitive there. And I'll bring it in low so you guys can see it, low and slow. She's pretty. And then we're gonna punch up. Let's look at that vertical. It's got plenty of vertical, unlimited vertical. Nice, nice. It'll do pretty much anything you want. Check that out. You can hover it. We'll take it up high. Actually, we'll keep it low so you guys can get some perspective on there with the trees on the background. We won't get too crazy with it. But we'll take it up just real quick. We'll get it out there where we can see it real good. We'll get some altitude there. And push her. There you go. She comes out of it clean. Like I said, this is a new airplane. We're really being pretty crazy with it right now for it to be a maiden flight. But you know, sometimes you got to push the limits. It's super sensitive on the elevator. It's got a huge throw on the elevator. Feel like it's getting a little weak on us there on the battery there. You want me to bring it in for a landing?
Yeah, it's only a little 3S.
All right, so we're gonna bring it in for a landing there. I think she's giving all she's got. We don't want to push it too much, especially if it's a new battery. So here we go. Coming in. See how she lands. And there you go. We don't have to walk anywhere. That's the Sukhoi Su-29mm. It's a winner from E-Flite. Right, we have switched the battery. We pulled out the 3S and we put in the 4S. We want to see what it can really do. So it felt like a little anemic on the 3S. So we'll see what's going on.
4S 3200 milliamp.
4S 3200 milliamp. You heard the man. All right, Jeff, you ready?
Let's ride.
Let's do it. Oh, wow. Right off the bat. Look at that.
Come to life, huh?
Good God. That's half throttle and it's hovering. Look at that. Oh, man. So some planes you just got to fly on 4S, and this is one of them. And that's half throttle, and it's much faster. This is what it was doing on the 3S at full throttle. So this is full throttle right here. Oh, you hear that? That prop is ripping. I like that. Let's just hear it one more time. That's badass. That's just cool.
Hear the coyotes?
Oh, the coyotes are crying in the background. You hear them?
That's wild.
Yep. There's a bunch of them back there, and you'll hear them. Look at that.
This plane's driving them nuts.
Yep. That is crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear the coyotes, but they are going wild. That high-pitched sound sometimes makes them go nuts out here. And not to take away from the airplane, but there's like probably about 24 more coyotes back behind us. But there's a fence that splits us up, so we're not worried about them. Let's see. So what we'll do is we'll come in. Oh man, she's a rocket. She's a rocket, and look.
Sounds
it's
great.
Super stable. I'm gonna take it way up there, and we're gonna get nutty with it. Look at that. This is on low rates, you guys. Comes right on out. Just awesome. And you know that the lipo we put in there was a little heavier, but it doesn't seem to mind it. Just a great flying airplane. Amazing. I gotta pause the video so Jeff can get on the sticks. I want him to experience this, man. This is great. All right. Got Jeff behind the sticks. Wanted him to experience the 4S on this, and it's just a different monster. Whole different airplane. We're breaking our necks right now. We're vertical. Just an excellent flying airplane. What do you think of the power, man?
Love it.
Completely different, right? Woke it up. And I mean, I like the fact that it drives the coyotes crazy. That's just cool. Straight up nerd stuff. That's cool. It's fast. She's quick. The 4S is the way to go, guys. If you're thinking about getting one of these airplanes, highly recommend it. Highly recommend getting a 4S battery. If you're just starting off, grab that 3S, throw it in there. We got a bunch of gnats hanging around the camera there. Sorry about that, guys. But it comes with the territory. So we're setting up for a landing here. See if we can't go around again. Go back around. You know how the maiden flights go. You gotta, take your time with it.
Oh, wow, lot of throws. Yeah, that was
Yep.
on low rate.
Yeah, it's crazy. All right, coming in. Hey, it's down and it's in one piece. And it still goes. Hey, we're good. Maiden flight. Sukhoi Su-29. It's a winner. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It helps the channel. Thank you.